10R, CBR 1000 RR. Yep. Got R1, R6. We're gonna get a good ride in. Is he with us?
I guess he was up.
Yeah.
We're about to be right down 30 to 820.
Okay, I guess somebody got in an accident and they're having like a benefit thing at the brewery right down the street from there.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no. Where you headed? Are you headed there?
Yeah, that's where I'm headed.
Okay.
Okay.
But,
Oh, this is up, man. It's nice meeting you, though.
Right,
Big,
you too, man.
Big, by the way. Nice R1.
Thank you.
right safe, bro.
All right, y'all too.
Spike light, man. You never know who you're gonna meet, where you're gonna meet them. Yeah, let's get it.